Hi guys, we got an extra special treat for you today on the Spotlight vehicle. This 2015 TRD version Toyota Tacoma. As you can see, if you step back a little bit, it's got a lot of nice, tasteful extras on it, okay? A lot of off-roading stuff. Obviously starting off with the wheels and tire package. These are brand new. The Moto metal wheels, very nice with the black coming off that gray, and then in the front, got the nice pusher bar here. Also have a lot of different LED lights added to it. Got the yellow fogs added. We got LED lights here. The main bar here, LED lights, as well as even in the grill. And then also a bug deflector. And then if you catch this right here, kind of has a neat kind of jangle they call it, where you can kind of see like a little ghosting on there with the graphics. And then coming around, you got some more lights up here, LED lights. Obviously the roof rack, an additional rack on the back, a Black Horse rack, which is a nice quality rack. And then also you got covers for the lights in case you're off-roading so you don't bust your lights, and also upgraded LED tail lights. And then also upgraded LED lights here for the license plate as well. And then look at the nice exhaust. I'll rev it up for you guys. It has the aftermarket exhaust with a real nice set of tips on there. Give me 1 second. Sounds pretty good. If you go on the inside, I'll show you a couple things as well. So you got the Jbl Sound System, if you could zoom in there on the door. So a nice bassy sound with some good highs. And then also you have the rear camera, if you zoom in there on the full screen. HD radio as well. But yeah guys, it's just a really nice vehicle. 67,000 miles on this one. And then the price point on this vehicle is $39,995. There is not one around this area that's like this. It's definitely one of a kind. Come and please see it. You won't be disappointed.